Hi everyone, Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and today we are gonna be playing with very quick and easy teddy bear. Have a preview of him in here. Very easy design, and I hope you really enjoy this video, so let's start. So this time we are gonna go very simple, very easy, and all of you can do it. 174, which is the Holy Fusion. Absolutely amazing red for Christmas, but not only for a Christmas, it's our clients' favorites. Everyone, when it comes to the red, everyone is actually picking this one, and for us as a nail technician in a salon, it's an amazing choice as well, because look what we have did, and here we have actually almost pulled it in a one layer. So on the clients, I would still apply 2 layers of this red just to make it nice and perfect, but on the tips we are actually gonna keep it as a 1 layer. Patrick is taking care of me and he's moving my lamp closer.
Yeah, because your hands always
in the camera. Okay. I know I've got damaged hands, but they have been hard-working hands. I've got blisters, scratches, cuts, everything on my hands. Always terrible. But I don't like to be bored, and I'm always coming up with some different ideas for renovations, gardening, and other things. And now, obviously Patrick has also photography studio as well. So we are doing lots of decor in there, for Halloween, which was not that long ago, times fly, and for Christmas as well. Okay, so my tips are cooked, and we can move on into a next part of this amazing design. So what you want to do it is grab an ombre brush and some white gel, add a drop of the black. Where are you, black? What you want from my hands? Are they okay? And then we want to mix it, but not completely, if that makes sense. So you want to have a dirty mixture, remove the excess of it, and then we are gonna paint our fluffy teddy bear. Make the brush more fluffy, so less product. Okay, and then you're just going and creating fluffy look just with the brush. Absolutely awesome way to paint very fast design. Now the only one thing is, guys, you need to make sure you do pull the strokes just in the same direction, so keep it in the one center, don't put it in different directions. And then I'm just gonna go with the white again, clean my brush a little bit and do a second row of the hairs. So clean the brush, and then we are gonna do second row. So everything comes to the same center. Just couple more. That's nice and fluffy. Let's cook it. And then grab him, watercolor brush, and we are gonna do a face. So you want to paint like a rounded shape of the nose and color it in. Clean your brush and then pick up some more white to make a nice and fluffy look. Using the D-liner brush, we are gonna spread it a little bit. Just so it's nice and furry. And then freeze it. Okay, now we need to paint some ears. So again, I'm just picking up the white, placing nice and big ears. Color them in. And then make them fluffy. Lots of little lines. Perfect, let's cook him. Just because our beer cannot be lonely, we are gonna do something in here. So I'm just gonna apply the top coat over it because I want this part of the design to be more of a 3D. Then go back to our beer. Pick up some white and pick up some black. Okay, right in the middle of the nose, we are gonna paint some nose. So a really decent size. And then from the nose, clean the brush, and what you've got left, pull a wee smile. Dotting tool. And just above, we are gonna do black eyes. And freeze it. Here I can start painting some snowflake. So dot in the middle. And then do 4 arms. Now another ones, but much shorter. And create some rhombus shape. Okay, from that we are gonna pull another arms. Dotting tool. So on those 4 big ones, I'm just creating 3 dots. D-liner brush and just prolong them. Clean the brush if you start feeling you've got too much paint in there. And we've got almost ready for snowflake. Actually ready, just leave it the way it is. So let's cook it and go back to our teddy. So he needs some final detail, and I want to add him some white sparkle in the eye. And then a couple of the hairs. So those ones are going to be much more visible, but we've got nice and fluffy fur already made. You can see they are standing out much more and they're sharper. Keep them really thin and simple. But again in the same direction. Okay, start going nice and fluffy. Okay, happy with this one. Let's cook him and do maybe a Christmas tree on this one. Okay, and then let's paint some tree. So I want you to do it like a swirly pattern. And the easiest way to do it is kind of keep it like on triangle shapes. So like first of all, we want to paint like a small triangle on the top with completely random kind of swirly patterns. Just like this. And then once you come up lower, you want to go bigger. Almost like a lacy look. All the way to the bottom. So there we are, we've got some Christmas tree. Let's cook it. Top got our teddy bear, and then we've got 3 very easy, simple designs ready. And I can show you them all together. So on the left hand side, we've got a snowflake. On the right hand side, we've got a tree. And right in the middle, we've got a teddy bear. That's what we have created today. And I hope you have really enjoyed learning this very quick, easy and simple design. Sending you huge glittery hugs and see you in the next one. Bye!